Here we've got XIAOMI Mi Note 10, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and now click on fingerprint unlock. Now it's time to select the backup to your fingerprint. It can be either pattern, pin code or the password. Just pick whichever you would like to have. I will pick pattern. Now just remember that your lock screen must be remembered, because if you will forget it, you will have to erase all data on your phone. Thanks for the notification, and now just set the pattern. Now draw it again to confirm and tap on confirm. And OK. Now it's time to enter your fingerprint, so just tap on the sensor right here and keep tapping until it's fully added. So you have to tap and lift it up to add all the edges. And as you can see, it has been done, so fingerprint 1 is added. Click on done. And now, as you can see, you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Just tap here. And as you can see, it has been unlocked. But if you will give your phone to somebody, if you will borrow it to someone, just this person can enter this backup pattern and easily will be able to access your device. So this is it. This is how you can add the super protection method to your XIAOMI Mi Note 10. This is how you can add a fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.